Ay, saba. Vlog ta. Ay, vlog na day. Saba. Hi, guys. Mayok saba. Ito Tina panganda. Pero pangag. Drama saba. It's my little niece is so saba. Yuck. So we're gonna do today. We are gonna go do funny expressions. Number 1, Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Saba! Ayaw nagsaba. Number 5. Ayaw nagsaba! 5. Delete ang magsaba. Magsaba. That's detention. Go to school. Dito ka sa gawas. Kung gusto ko magdula. Kaya ng vlog. Number 5. Ano sa number 5? Sige, doon na number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. My God, these allergies. Number 12. Aswang ka. Aswang ko. Ano ka ba? Ano ka? Bae o lalaki? Okay, number 12. Seriously, bro? Are you kidding me? Number 13. Clap, clap. I'm Mario. Okay, number 14 is the last one. Hello, bitch. What are you doing for tonight's dinner? Mac and cheese, please. I want that to order on Lazada. Yes! The ninja bat is coming right away. The ninja bat is coming right away. Yay! Yay! And that's over. Kidding! Just joking. Hamatina kabangbang. And here we have Hayatot Gamamus. Here we have the behind scenes. Kukulukas. Bagagnaw ka. Come on. Mama, sayaw pa buang-buang ni. Sayaw pa buang-buang. Ano ba? Sayaw pa buang-buang ba? Sayaw pa buang-buang. Sayaw pa buang-buang. Sanawa sila magsayaw pa buang-buang. Sayaw pa buang-buang. Sayaw. Oh! Dagmag. Ay, dahag. Ano sa mag? Dahag. Let's go. Let's go. Ang init. Init ko. Kahuyin ako. You for 5 hours. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's pick $5. I'm here now. These are the two bitches kids. Joke. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Wanna sleep for one whole week. I think week. Hey, don't talk about me. Oh, this boost. I'm a kid. I'm not a kid. I'm 21. I'm gonna tell you joke. I'm a vampire. I'm a vampire. I'm a vampire. Okay, see you soon, guys. I post every Sunday. I post on every Sunday and every Sabado. So that's okay. I post on every Sunday and every Sabado. Okay. See you soon to my next channel. At the club. Okay. Okay kayo. Sweet kayo. Yung naging kayo. May crabs. Hindi kayo naging kayo. Shout out po sa mga single dyan, mga lalaki. Meron po akong, si Ate B. Siya ay single. And shout out po dyan nung nang bash akin. Sasabihin ko, wala pa nila to. Kung meron nanonood nito, kung ang pangalan Ryan, si Y. Siya yung dating asawa ni Ate B. At hindi naging sila. Napakasal sila. Naging sila. At aging hindi na sila nagkadulo. Yung sila ay matanda na. Yung sila ay matanda na. Where am I? I'm in John World. I'm here. The world is here. I'm finally alive. We love you. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, Peter. Bye,